One of the best features of the Axopars is the opening roof. It's a canvas sliding roof system. It's totally waterproof, but it opens on a beautiful day if you want sun or if you want air. And when it's closed, it's an awesome watertight seal. I'm Andrew Porter from East Coast Yacht Sales. Let's take a closer look at the sliding roof system. Up on the roof, you have this canvas protective cover. So this is a snap-on cover that keeps the UV light and the birds off of the actual sliding cover underneath. It's snapped on. I would recommend taking it off when you go out boating and then putting it on if you're not going to be on the boat for a little while. So back at the helm, the switch for the electrical opening canvas roof is right here next to the wheel and next to the controls. And one touch of the button and the electric slide starts to open. The canvas is just flaking and folding itself as it goes back, and it'll go all the way back until the complete open position. And look what you got. I got air, I have light, I have breeze. It's absolutely beautiful on a nice day. This is what makes the Axopar awesome. So from the open position, if it gets cold or windy or rainy, one touch of the switch, the canvas roof is gonna come forward and it'll come to a detent position at about 90% closed. And that's a great position for when you're running, going fast. It lets a little air in, but it's not fully open. So as it comes forward here, it's gonna come to that detent position. And now push and hold the button for full closure. Here are the bars, and these are the actual contact point that's sliding in the track. And then you can see light tucked up here in the corner. Some people wonder, it's a common question, how could it be waterproof if I can see some light getting in? And that's what makes the sliding roof system so cool, is the engineering has these huge gutters. All of the water gets pushed sideways, rolls off the sliding roof, into the gutters, and then out the drains. So even if you can see a tiny bit of light just peeking through there, water's not gonna come this way into the boat. So here are a few details on the sliding roof system. Here is the track that the roof is actually sliding in, port and starboard. This is the gutter where all the water collects as it runs off of the roof, down into this gutter, and then into these scuppers to go over the side. And then there's a gasketed closure forward. So that is a sealed, watertight closure right up front, no air, no water getting in. As far as maintaining the system, keeping the track clean is the most important part for smooth operation. So check it every once in a while, make sure there's no salt or dirt built up in there. Also, putting the cover on after you're done using the boat is probably the most important thing to a long life out of the actual opening and closing top. So here we are water testing. All that water is running off to the side outboard, going down into this huge gutter, and then coming out in the drains. And for a real test, if you ever took some spray over the top, bone dry. So after putting all that water on the roof, as you can see, there is no water inside. It's totally dry. Dry, 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 dry everywhere. And we put that huge bucket of water up there. We're warm and dry inside.
I'm on an Axopar 37 cross cabin right now in the pouring rain, and I am warm and dry and comfortable. And I just wanted to show you this soft top system. Totally retractable. On a beautiful day, you're outside, or as outside as you want to be. And on a day like today, I'm just cozy and happy and hanging out inside the Axopar.
I hope that's a helpful look at the sliding canvas roof system on an Axopar. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below, or you can reach out to me directly. My information is below this video.